Knee pain. A humble reminder that even the strongest tree feels the weight of time. I am Master Lin. Today, I will show you simple and natural ways to ease knee pain, especially for the elders who walk with wisdom and sometimes with discomfort. Ginger and turmeric, two roots of fire that calm inflammation and awaken blood flow. Preparation. Boil 1 cup of water. Add 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, or small pieces of fresh root. Simmer for 5 minutes, then strain. Add a few drops of lemon juice and a bit of honey if you wish. Drink this tea twice a day, morning and evening. It warms the joints and reduces stiffness. What heals inside must also be helped from outside. Mustard oil and garlic, the ancient blend for joint comfort. Preparation. Warm 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Add 2 crushed garlic cloves and let it sizzle until golden. Cool until comfortably warm. Massage gently on the knees for 10 minutes, twice a day, morning and before sleep. It improves circulation and reduces swelling. When the body's acids rise, the joints grow stiff. Vinegar restores balance, cleaning what time has stored. Preparation. Mix 1 tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar in 1 cup of warm water. Add 1/2 teaspoon of honey for taste. Drink once daily before meals. It helps dissolve mineral deposits and lubricates the joints. Small seeds with mighty healing. Fenugreek warms the body and eases morning stiffness. Preparation. Soak 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds overnight. In the morning, eat the soaked seeds on an empty stomach. Do this daily for 2 weeks and feel the lightness return to your steps. The body heals through motion, not stillness. Gentle exercise keeps the joints alive. Practice daily. Seated leg raises. Sit straight, lift 1 leg, hold for 5 seconds, then lower. Do 10 per leg. Knee circles. Slowly rotate your knees while sitting or standing for 30 seconds. Warm towel compression after exercise to relax muscles. Do these movements daily, slow and mindful, like water flowing through stones. Pain is not a punishment, it is your body asking for attention. Feed it warmth, movement, and patience, and it will serve you again. This is Master Lin. May your steps be steady, and your heart at peace.